Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite. You can update your app if you will find your update. If it's not working with you, you can click here uninstall and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.